Hey guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography. Oh my goodness, guys, my husband and I just went to a tulip farm here in South Jersey, and it was incredible. I guess I was transported to Holland because, first of all, I didn't even know it existed, and it's really a special treat. So if you buy your tickets online, $14. If you get them right when you go up there, they will sell them to you, but it's $20. So definitely try to go online. It is just a sea of color. They have so many stations that allow for photo ops, and really it's incredible. There's over 1 million bulbs planted at this farm. And what they do is they actually extract those bulbs. And when this is done, actually, this is the last weekend. But even if you can't do it this year, keep this on your radar for next year. They're going to extract those bulbs and they're going to plant sunflowers. And it's going to be a sea of sunflowers in the fall. And it starts all over again in March of next year. So I can't say enough about the experience. I know a lot of people just rave about it. It's got amazing reviews, and you can really see the pride in ownership. I know that this farm, the owner talks about the fact that he didn't want this land to be sold and just have more warehouses put up or developments in his area. So it's been in their family for many generations, and the idea for the tulips and the sunflowers, it was born and it's been a success. So definitely, if you can, get yourself to Dalton Farms in Swedesboro, New Jersey. You will be so happy you did. And thanks, guys, for checking this out. I'll catch you in the next video.